Hello everyone and welcome back to Painting with Martin. Today we have a box and we are going to see what's in it. I received a package and let's see what's in the box and let's see, maybe there are some miniatures here. So I'm going to see if we can open this one. Excuse me for maybe my head is seeing here. Let's see if we can open this one up and see what's in this box. I have no idea actually. I'll turn it around like this and opening it up like this. Let's see here what's in this box. And well, there's some nice packaging materials. Some kind of sheet or something like that. Maybe, yeah, we'll see what it is. That's what it is, something like this. And it's a big box. And we've got some other, I don't know, packaging material maybe? I'm not sure. Maybe it's supposed to be a box in itself. And we've got a Skull Tales Full Sail from Eclipse Editorial. And it's quite a nice big box. Let's see what else there is in there. Yep, a promotional brochure or something like that from Draco Ideas. Really nice company. I really recommend this game, 2GM Tactics. It is awesome, by the way. So let's see here what we can find here inside this box. I will see if I can get the package opening. And hopefully we'll see here. What do we find in here? It looks like a pirate game. Take off the plastic wrapper here. This is my first unboxing video like this, so bear with me. Something like this. Ooh, let's see if I can zoom in here for you guys. Moving this one back a little bit. And out like this. Well, we've got an adventure guide, and we've got a port guide, voyage rules, and of course campaign book, Shadows of the Caribbean. I've got some nice tokens here. Looks to be some kind of like marker or something like wheel that you punch out. Nice heavy cardboard quality, I really like this. And we've got some nice map tiles. Looks quite okay. See if I can zoom this out. No, like this. Really nice map tiles. Suppose you put them back like this. Sorry for the glaring light. And oh wow, awesome nice miniatures. Some really cool miniatures here. A really nice high quality one. Let's see if I can open one and show you what it is. This appears to be some kind of ape, or I don't know, with an axe or something like that. High quality miniature, almost like no mold lines at all. It's going to be really fun to paint these. I'm going to put this one back here and put it down over here. There's more in the box. More sheets. More sheets like these, more tokens. Putting them out over here. Ooh, this is nice. Kind of like score track or some sort, with some, I'm not really sure what it is, but score tracks or some kind of map where you can go and place your people. Oh, even more things. Something like that, some kind of track as well. And ooh, this is nice. I'm going to show you this one here. Nice characters here, and a nice insert too. Looks nice inserts. Some dice, some nice tokens here, and more tiles. More tiles is always nice. Square tiles to square. Perfect organization here, and there you go. It's Skull Tales Full Sail, English edition. So I'm going to be looking to paint this one, hopefully quite soon. And it is a game for 1 to 5 pirates, aged 14 plus, and about 150 minutes per chapter. So I reckon this is a campaign game. So designed by David Iescas. I hope I pronounced his name correctly. So there you have it. Full Tales, Skull Tales Full Sail was in the box. Big shout out to everyone who supports me on my channel. It really means a lot, helps me grow, and it's you guys that makes this channel so great. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. There's a link in the description box here. And I'll see you next time when I'm painting some miniatures. Thank you very much for watching.